Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. On this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to sew a pencil skirt. The measurement you are going to be needing for this pencil skirt is your waist measurement, your hip measurement, your knee measurement, and the length. The length I have here is length 42. Please, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. Let's begin. Like I told you, the length I'm working with is 42 plus 1 inch sewing allowance, making it 43. From my waist to my hip is 9 inches. From my waist to my knee is 18 inches. I'm going to rule out the lines. On my waist measurement, I'll be taking the waist measurement divided by 4. By 4 plus 2 inches sewing allowance. The hip I'm working with is 53. You divide it by 4 plus 2 inches sewing allowance. On the knee measurement, whatever I have on my hip, I'll bring it down to the hip measurement. I will take away 2 inches from it, or you can take away 3, 4, depending on what you're working with. And I'm going to connect the lines. And whatever you have here, you're going to extend it down to the length. What I have here is 13, and I'll put it down to the length 13, and I'll take down the measurement. This is your pencil skirt, and now I will take the dart. The dart I'm working with, the nipple to nipple measurement I'm working with is 4 inches. Now come down by 5 inches. I'll connect the lines. Take half inch by the side and half inch on this side. Connect it back. And this is our pencil skirt. This is the pencil skirt. And with this, I'm going to use it to cut the back. And with this, I'm going to use it to cut the back. This is the back, and I'll make sure I leave my 1 inch zip allowance. On this hip line, I'll come out by 1 inch, while on the waistline, I'll come out by 1/2 inch, and I'll connect. To avoid zip bulge, and to also create room for your butt to sit very well. Just take it down. And for the back darts, make sure you notch your zip allowance to know where your zip allowance started. And for the back darts, I'll take 5 inches. I will take 5 by 5. Take 1/2 inch on the waistline and connect. And that is the back pencil skirt. And the front, you go ahead and join it. Go ahead and join it and put your zipper. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thank you very much.